started with late night calls. No plan, just talking through it all. One classmate, you caught my eye. I didn't know you'd stay on my mind. Then came the silence, mixed up signs. I walked away, left it behind. But December brought us back around, where all our walls came crashing down. Fireworks in December, burning brighter than I remember. A moment where it all made sense, where love began, no pretense. Underneath the glowing light, Kelly, you gave meaning to that night. Review nights and coffee breaks, side by side, no room for mistakes. Then you said, I miss you now. My heart was ready to find out how. So I took a chance, asked you out. Planned a night, no room for doubt. Under Moa's burning skies, Kelly, you gave your sweetest reply. Oh, fireworks in December, burning brighter than I remember. A moment where it all made sense, where love began, no pretense. Underneath the glowing light, Kelly, you gave meaning to that night. Now it's us, no turning back. Dreaming of cities we'll unpack. Every step, every song, with you I know where I belong. Fireworks in December, burning brighter than I remember. A moment where it all made sense, where love began, no pretense. Underneath the glowing light, Kelly, you gave meaning to that night. Rochelle and Kelly, we found love that will remain. Under fireworks that lit the sky, two hearts finally intertwined.